In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new publication on Substack. Whether you're an aspiring writer, a seasoned journalist, or just looking to share your ideas with the world, Substack is a fantastic platform to get started with publishing online. Today, we'll go through the process step by step, making sure you have everything you need to launch your very own publication. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Substack homepage. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click on your account. This is your gateway to all the settings you'll need to manage your publications and subscriptions, so becoming familiar with this area is definitely beneficial. Once your account menu opens, you'll want to click on Settings. This will take you to a new page that gives you access to various options related to your account and content. On this page, you'll find a section labeled Publications. This section is crucial for managing all the different pieces of content you're putting out there, so let's dive into it. In the publication section, you'll see an option to create another publication. By clicking on this, you're taking the first real step in creating something brand new on Substack. But before we get too far, it's important you come up with a catchy, memorable name for your publication. This will also be a part of your publication's URL, making it easily accessible for your readers. As with many online platforms, you might need to solve a CAPTCHA to verify that you're an actual person taking these actions. It's a simple step, but it's there to ensure the security and authenticity of new publications. Once you've done that, click on Continue. This step is crucial to move forward in setting up your new publication. Next, Substack will prompt you to import your mailing list. If you already have a list of subscribers or readers, now is the perfect time to bring them over to your new Substack publication. However, if you don't have this information ready or prefer to start from scratch, feel free to skip this step for now. Similarly, you'll have the option to add subscribers. Again, this is a wonderful way to jumpstart your audience if you have a list ready. But it's not a deal breaker if you choose to skip it. You can always invite subscribers later on as you grow your content. Lastly, you'll be prompted to recommend 5 other Substack publications before finalizing your setup. Completing this task not only helps build community on the platform, but also enhances your visibility among peers. Once that's done, you're all set. You've officially created your new publication on Substack. With these steps complete, you're ready to start sharing your ideas with the world. Enjoy the creative process and happy publishing.